Right, it's my completed Stuart No.8. Just had a bit of a repaint, and the O-ring, new O-ring fitted, the other one disintegrated. But base used to be black, so I've just tidied it up a little bit. I kept the original green second base there, so I quite like it. But, yeah, quite nice looking engine. I've had it running on air already. I have to apologise for my workstation. I've got bombs here, but I've been doing 3 or 4 things at once here. Anyway, we'll just get this going on here. As I say, I've already had it going, so I know it works. There we go. This one's got some cylinder steam cocks underneath. That work nicely. They were blocked, but I'll reach the other one. See the other side. It's a bit of a faff to get to it. Oh, there you go. That's about all you're going to get out of this compressor, because it's fairly adequate. But turn this round rather than flopping the way around, I think. Go. After watching this, Dave, I told you it was just going to be a basic clean up of the base, which was pretty rubbish. I've just rubbed it down, just mahogany, just a light coat of a gloss there, just to seal it. Oh dear, excuse me. That's it. Stuart No.8. Thank you.